Well, today, this evening, we're announcing that there will now be quarantine brought in for a number of other locations, now including France, Holland and some others. And that's because we've absolutely worked so hard to make sure that we're keeping our numbers down here, and we can't afford to re-import those cases from elsewhere. We're absolutely, said all the way along, we're going to make the announcements as the data says you should make it. And we've got to a point with France in particular and these other countries where if we didn't announce it now, we would know that the infection rate was already too high and not do anything about it. So we're bringing it in, we're announcing it now, and it will be operational throughout the United Kingdom from 4 a.m. on Saturday morning. Well, the French government have said that unfortunately the virus has been going the wrong way there. There's been a 66% increase in the number of positive tests in the last week alone. And so unfortunately, France is having to be added to the quarantine list. And it means if you're coming back from France, then you must self-isolate for 14 days when you come back from Sunday. People who are in France or indeed Holland or one or two other places that we're announcing this evening who are added to the quarantine list, we're saying to people you can stay and finish your holiday, but you have to be aware you will have to quarantine after that, and that is mandatory, I'm afraid, because we do need to protect the lower rates we've managed to establish in this country. And that does apply UK-wide, so all four parts of the United Kingdom, Scotland, Northern Ireland, Wales and England, all moving on this together this evening.